Your Android battery isn't dying because it's old. It's dying because 3 settings are running every second of every day. In the background, when your screen is off, when the phone is in your pocket, you never turn them on. They came switched on by default, and one of them is watching where you are right now. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. Today, I'm shutting this down in 3 settings. No apps to download, no factory reset, nothing technical, just 3 toggles. And by the end, your phone lasts hours longer. Let's start. First, move. And I'm going to go slow on every one of these. So, take your time. Pause me anytime. I'm not going anywhere. Open your settings. Go ahead. I'll wait. Now scroll down and find location. Tap it. Give it a second to open. Okay. Now, tap location services. It's near the bottom. Take your time finding it. Now look for 2 things. Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. See them? Both are switched on right now. Here's what nobody tells you. Even when your location is off, these keep pinging the networks around you every few seconds, all day. That's your battery bleeding out in the background. Let's turn the first one off. Tap Wi-Fi scanning. Good. Now, tap Bluetooth scanning. That's it for move 1. 2 toggles. Your phone just stopped broadcasting to a room it doesn't need to talk to. Easy, right? Let's keep going. Second, move. This one has a few more taps, so I'll walk you through it nice and slow. Almost as easy as the first, I promise. Go back to your main settings screen. Take a breath. We're in no rush. Now, tap apps. You'll see a list of everything on your phone. Pick any app you barely use. A game, a shopping app, a photo editor. Tap it. I'll use this one as my example. You follow along with yours. Now, tap battery. Give it a second. Look at this setting right here. It says unrestricted, optimized, or restricted. I ran this on my friend's phone. Half his apps were set to unrestricted. That means they run 24 hours a day in the background, whether he opens them or not. So ask yourself the simple question. Does this app have a real reason to run all day? Your messaging app? Maybe. A flashlight? No. If it fails that test, tap optimized. Now, here's the part that takes a minute. You're going to do that same check for every app you rarely use. Back out. Pick the next one. Battery. Optimized. I'll speed up on screen so you're not watching me do all of them, but you take your time with yours. Pause the video and work down your list. I'll be right here when you get back. Last one. The one that actually scares me. And because this is the important one, I'm going to go the slowest here. Stay with me. Go back to settings and tap location again. Same place we started. This time, tap app permissions. Take your time finding it. Now look carefully at this list. You're looking for any app that says allowed all the time, not only while using, all the time. See any? Most people have 3 or 4. That app is pulling your GPS location every few minutes, around the clock. And here's the thing. That's not just killing your battery. That's an app you barely use, tracking everywhere you go, all day, and reporting it back. A weather app does not need to know where you are at 3 a.m. So, let's fix it. Tap the first app that says, allowed all the time. Now tap, only while using the app. There. You just fixed the battery drain and closed a tracking hole in the same tap. Now do that for every app on that list that doesn't truly need it. Slowly. No rush. I'll wait. That's it. Kill the background scanning. Restrict the apps that run all day. Lock down location to only while using. 3 settings. Done. Drop a comment. How many apps did you catch set to unrestricted or allowed all the time? I want to know. And here's the thing. Even with these 3 off, there's one more setting Google leaves running that quietly fills your storage until your phone slows to a crawl. I show you exactly where it's hiding in this next video. Click it right now. I'll see you in there.